And let me give you folks a very, very quick, but it'll be a very easy lesson in quantum physics. You're going to love this. Most people don't realize what Einstein was doing, among other things, when he created E equals mc squared. He was proving God. And I'm going to prove this to you right now. Do you have pen and paper in front of you?
I do, yeah.
Okay, you're going to love this. Now, what I want you to do is just to draw a circle, a decent-sized circle, okay? No, excuse me, make it an oval.
All right, done.
Okay, dead center, just make a dot that you can see. Make it a good dot that you can see it.
All right.
That dot is going to be the planet Earth. The oval is going to be the expanding universe, okay? Now, do you by any chance know what E equals mc squared means? What each of those symbols mean, like the E?
Energy.
Right. And what does the M mean?
Mass.
Right. And what does C squared mean?
Well, it'd be the speed of light squared.
That's what everyone says, but that's incorrect. C is the Greek word celeritas, which means something that's swift, something that's faster than fast, which is why Einstein put the number 2 there. So it would be squared. In other words, that by putting the number 2, there's something that's faster than fast, so fast, it's just incomprehensible. Now, what was faster than fast for Einstein? And he realized it would be the speed of light. Now, remember, it's squared. So, looking at that dot in the center and the oval, you're going to times 186,000 miles per second. And then it doubles the next time and doubles again and doubles and doubles and doubles constantly over and over again to where you're going to get from the planet Earth to the end of the universe. You're going to come around and all of a sudden it doubles. You make a second turn, it doubles again, and eventually you're traveling so fast you're going to literally be every place at once. You will literally be everywhere. You will see everything, which will make you omniscient, because you will know everything that's going on at the same time, because you're every place at once, because you're traveling so fast, doubling, doubling, and doubling till infinity.
Hence your statement about Einstein proving the existence of God. And
that's what he was doing. See, Einstein, if you really look into Einstein in his writings, he was a godly man. And he really, if you check his writings carefully, he really was going to try to prove God through physics. And when you look at E equals mc squared, he actually did it.
But what you're saying, however, it's just not accepted in the way it was presented or supposed to be presented.
Well, they may not accept it, but they can't deny the facts that that's exactly what Einstein intended, because Einstein himself said he would prove God through physics.
Okay, all right. Yeah, perhaps that was the more accurate way of saying what I meant to say. Okay, I get that. Wow.
When you look at E equals mc squared, it does prove it, because remember, energy can't be created. It takes an omnipotent God to do something like that. It can be just like matter. You can't create matter. It can be altered, but it can't be created.
No,
we've never created matter. Exactly. So where did it come from? Yeah, exactly. The whole premise of E equals mc squared was secretly based on what Einstein said he was going to do. He would prove God through physics. And when you look at, as I said, the end result, celeritas, faster than fast, and it doubled itself every single time. As I said, eventually you end up at every single place at the same moment, and therefore you know everything that's going on in that same split second.
Okay. You're not saying God is traveling at
No,
that speed.
but it gives us a human look into why God is God.
Right. Okay. Now I understand that. It's the perspective of the omnipresence.
Yeah. It's the closest you and I, as human beings, will ever be able to come to understanding something that's infinite from our finite minds.